rain coming, so these birds are all going crazy here. Probably going to get hit in the head here in a second. Yes, they are like right there. Some weird camera angles there. There's a dude with some bird feed over there, and these birds are coming around here. Here they come. There's a whole gang of them coming up here. It's totally wild. This is by far the craziest zoo I have ever been to. These two are fighting right here. How cool is that? Not very cool. I know, that's nature though. Look at them. Look at them go. They are pissed at each other. Alright, we're going to move on here. That's what a bunch of birds look like.